All right, so let's go through and however she woke up and she was not happy about her birthday, then her birthday was ruined and she was not still not happy to go home and celebrate. So then we need to write our conclusion, and that's 1 to 2 sentences, just restating our prompt and summing up our answers. So Rachel in the story 11 has many internal struggles and external conflicts with herself and other people in the school. We know internal self, people, external. In conclusion, Rachel had a bad day on her birthday and just wanted her birthday to be over. Okay, so through there, we wrote a TDA in about 15 minutes, and you guys did a great job. And I know if we were together, we would be able to too. But let's go through and make sure that we have everything that we need. So the first thing, do we have 3 paragraphs? One, two, 3? Yes, we do. Okay, so 3 is the minimum. Next, let's go to our introduction. Our introduction should be a 1 thesis sentence and it should be tagged. Tag it. So, do we have our title, author, genre, information, answer? Yes, we do. Check. We have our tag it. So now in our body paragraphs, we should see if we restate, answer, cite, and explain and analyze. So here we go. We're talking about the plot. Here's our restate in a different way. We're getting a little bit more specific, which is what we need to do. We talks about her turning 11. We give direct evidence with quotation marks, and then we explain it, how it's an internal, we explain what it means, and then we explain how it is an internal struggle. Then we go on to the rest of the plot, rising action and climax. We restate. We give our answer. We find direct evidence using our quotation marks. And then we talk about what it shows and what type of conflict it is. It's an external conflict. Then we talk about through the rest of the story. There's our restating that plot prompt. We're answering it, we're citing our evidence, and we are explaining it and analyzing how she just wanted her birthday to be over. Okay? Then we went down and we did our conclusion, which is 2 sentences. So this is the perfect, could be better, but still for 15 minutes, pretty well written. Obviously, you would want to go through and you would want to, edit and add and, make sure it is perfect. However, this is a good basis because we have everything that we need. So this is what your TDA should look like when you write one tomorrow based off your Obama speech. 3 paragraphs, 1 introduction thesis, a body paragraph that answers the prompt completely, and a conclusion. Okay, you will submit that thesis to me, but then you're also going to, or your TDA to me, but you're also going to submit it to the discussion portion of our um, course. Okay, so you're going to submit it 2 different places, which I will show you how to do, and then that way we can kind of review and look at each other's to see how well we did. All right, you guys did awesome. I hope this helps. Please refer back to this when writing or refer back to your notes. Anything that you need, ask questions. I am here for you. It's better that you know how to do this now because every single unit, like I said, we will be writing a TBA. Bye, guys.